The LokkLatch Plus Privacy Gate Latch is a quality, rust-free latch that's ideal for a variety of gates and gate materials. It requires only one drilled hole through the post for installation. Mounting the LokkLatch Plus latch is quick and easy on most gates. The latch comes with an innovative fitting jig designed to make installation quick and easy. Using the jig and a pencil allows convenient alignment marks on both sides of the gate. Use a level or square to ensure correct alignment. While only one hole through the post is required for installation, drilling smaller pilot holes first can help center the larger drill holes more accurately. The versatile design of the latch means the mounting bracket can be rotated and positioned to suit left or right swinging gates. When positioned as needed, simply fix the mounting brackets to the main latch body. Choose which of the two connecting rods supplied best suits your post depth. Mark the rod to the depth of your post. Take a hacksaw and cut the rod to length, checking that the rod's length now matches the depth of the post. Snap fit the rod into the lock housing. Take the assembled housing and feed the rod through the post. Now secure the housing using the self-drilling screws supplied. Press the housing button so that the rod protrudes from the post. Position the latch body and feed it over the protruding connector rod before also screwing it into place. Close the gate and put the striker bolt into the latch tongue to attain correct alignment. Hold that position while fixing the striker housing into place. Alignment can be finely adjusted using the vertical adjustment slots. Close and latch the gate. Insert the key and check that the latch locks and unlocks as required. Check both lock cylinders. Your LokkLatch Plus gate latch is now ready for use.